I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up?
Is acids or bases. Okay, we know the natural indicators. Here I have taken the turmeric powder. Okay, turmeric powder, and I made it into a solution. This turmeric powder, I poured water, little water, and I made it as a solution. Can you see now? It is a solution now. And this is called as a beetroot juice. Okay, beetroot extract. Okay, this beetroot and turmeric we are using here as a natural indicators. Last time in our class we have in the yardstick you have done it with the litmus paper whether they are acids or bases. Now here one more time we are going to check it whether they comes to the acid or a base. Okay, now let us see first thing bleaching powder. Let us do the test with the first turmeric. The turmeric, when you add 2 drops of a turmeric solution, how does it turn? The bleaching powder is acid or base? The bleaching powder is acid or base?
Acid.
Yeah?
Acid.
Is it acid?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When you add into a acid, it will turn into a acid, and when you turn into a base, okay, a turmeric solution, when you turn into a base, it will turn into a dark red color, whereas the acid will be yellow color only in the turmeric solution. Now tell me, what is it?
Base.
Is it
Base.
blue
No.
or yellow,
Yellow.
or which color now?
Red.
Yeah. So when you add, which color it turned into?
Red.
Red. So what is it?
Acid.
It is acid or base?
Base.
Base. Now take boric acid. In the boric acid, now adding a 2 drops of turmeric solution. And after that, can you see any changes? No. So what is it?
Acid.
So what is it? So there is a clear difference is there in the acid and bases. Okay. Lemon powder, and I added turmeric solution. When I added turmeric solution, is there any change here?
No.
So what is it comes
Acid.
under? Acid or a base?
Acid.
Wow. Good. Next thing, let us see a baking soda. Okay, baking soda is
Base.
acid or base?
Base.
Now let us see the test. Is there any change in the color?
No.
Is there any change?
No.
Okay, right, it's yellow only. Now let us see a calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is acid or base? I took a small dish.
Base.
Now let us see the test.
No.
It is calcium oxide. Yeah. In the calcium oxide, now let us see.
It's acid. It's a base.
It's calcium oxide, I said. And see, is there any
Dark.
is there change of the color?
Yes.
Is it yellow or red?
Red.
Yeah. So through this experiment, what did you learn?
And that
It is a turning into the yellow is turning into red. So what is it? If it is a turning, what do you say?
as
It is known as
Base.
base. Very good. The next thing, lime juice. Okay, it is a natural lime juice. Yes. In the lime juice, let us see whether it is acid or base. Can you say?
Acid. It has citric acid.
What is it? Yeah. What is
Citric
it?
acid.
Citric
Citric
acid. Acid. The word itself says. But let us see the test. Now I added 2 drops of turmeric solution, and just to see whether is it turning or not.
No.
Ma'am, is it turning?
Yellow.
It's yellow only. So yellow is indicating here.
Ma'am,
Yellow is indicating. What is it indicating? It's
Acid.
Right. Now shampoo. It's a shampoo. I'm making as a shampoo solution, and in this shampoo solution, shampoo is acid or base?
Base.
It is acid or base?
Base.
According to base, if you add the turmeric solution, what does it turn into?
Red.
Is it turning?
Yeah.
It's slippery. Shampoo, right? Yeah. Now let us see whether is it turning or not. Yes, it is not yellow. The color has changed. Green. Yeah. Its color has changed into dark green, right? So is it acid or base? Base. Very good. The next thing, let us see. Let us see with beetroot natural indicator. Okay. Now bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is
Indicator.
no acid or a base.
Base.
Again, people are confusing.
Base.
Yeah, let us see. Can you give me? Okay, a beetroot solution. It is when you do with a acid, it will be a colorless pink only. Okay, its own color only. Whereas when you do with base, it will turn into yellow. Just to observe whether it is the same color or it is turning.
Acid.
It's not turning, so it's acid.
Maybe it is too much diluted. Based on that also we have to see. Okay. Next thing. Yeah.
I didn't even add any water.
Now it's a lime water. Now lime water is
Acid.
acid. Now take lime water and see with natural indicator.
It's changing.
Is there any change in this color?
No.
Okay, it's acid only. That means it's beetroot
acid.
color only. So it is a acid. Now, do you know how to convert into acid to base by using the neutralization? Okay. Now we know that it's an acid.
Yes.
Now we know that it's a base.
Yeah.
Right? Now turn into a neutral color. So a base, when you add a base to a acid or a acid to a base,
salt will be
it
formed.
will be salt is a formed. What is that it is formed? Yellow color, no? So now can you see the yellow is coming back?
Yes,
It is called as a salt. So when you are adding salt to base, okay? Now we are seeing about some of the acids, a strong acid and a weak acid. So here we are seeing about the hydrochloric acid, very powerful, strong acid. What is this called as a hydrochloric acid? Yeah, it's too smelly also. Next one, here NaCl. What is NaCl?
Sodium chloride.
Very good. What is sodium chloride?
Table salt.
What do we say? It's a common salt. Can we taste anything in the chemistry lab?
No. But we can taste
Can we taste anything? No. Now another one is called as a calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide is a base. Okay. Next one, acetic acid. Acid. The word itself says. It's a acid or a base? Acid or a base? Yeah, it is a weak acid. Is it clear? Is it clear? Right. We can do this acid salt, okay? Salt and acids and bases with the litmus paper. Now let us see whether the blue litmus, what is the acid rule? When I take the blue litmus should change into red. Right, very good. Now we are using, okay, we all of us know that lime water is acid. Just to see which color it turned into. What? So the blue has. Okay.
weak acid.
Yeah, the blue has changed into. This is the actually origin color as this one. Okay, now the color has changed when you dip into the solution, and this is called as a pH paper. Yeah, very good. Thank you. This is called as a pH paper. 0, 1 to 14 are called as a pH scale. In that, 7 is called as a neutral. Okay, so 1 to 6 are called as 1 to 6 are called as acids. Whereas this 8 to 14 are called as bases. Now, just test with the pH paper. Okay, yeah. Now it is coming to the which color? Just it is sinking to 5. So 5 is a acid or a base? Acid. So what can we come to the conclusion? Lime water is a acid. Very good. Now, this is the shampoo solution we have taken. Now take a shampoo solution. Whether is it changing with the litmus paper? Okay.
Oh, it's changing.
Yes. What is this one? What is this one? It is base. Now it is turning into. Okay. So original color is like this. Pink or a pink. Okay, red actually. It should be red. The red is turning into here a blue or a light green. When it is turning, can you compare with this?
10.
Yeah, it's a. Can you tell the pH value of this shampoo?
10.
Yes, 10. So when it is showing the 10, what do we see that? It is a base. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes.
Is it clear? Right. Can we do any test with any more? Okay. Yeah, it's a vinegar. Let us see vinegar is acid or base.
I think it is.
Yeah. Now I am taking in the dish a vinegar.
It looks like water.
Okay. In the vinegar, I am just testing. It should be.
Acid.
Yeah.
It is pink. No.
What is it? What is it?
Acid.
So vinegar comes under acid or a base?
Acid.
Yes. Can you find out now pH value?
Strong acid.
It's a strong acid. Now when we do with a natural indicator, now does it any color changes?
No.
Yeah? Shall we see? Now when I am keeping this, a turmeric solution, is there any change in this color? So it is not turning into a red color like this. So what can we come to the conclusion? Acetic acid, vinegar is a acid. Okay? Yeah. What is this one? It is a acid. Now let us see. Okay? Yeah. What is this one? Calcium oxide. Now when we add a beetroot solution or extract, it is changing. So what is this called as a?
Base. It's a base. It's changing its color into yellow.
So what is it called as a? It is not as a pink. It is changing its color. So it is.
It's known as base.
Yes. Shall we do any more test with baking soda?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid is too strong. Okay. Now take little baking soda.
It's a base, man. Soda is calcium.
It's an acid or base?
Base.
Sure?
Carbonate. Yes, ma'am. Calcium bicarbonate.
Sure.
Base.
Now with the powder we can't do the test. So I am making it as a solution. In the solution, baking soda, whether let us see the red one is turning into blue or not. Can you hold? Right. Can you do the test? Yes. What is it?
It's green.
So when it turned into this green, what does it indicate? Baking soda is a base. Can you see the pH value of this?
10.
It's 10. So it's a 10 means Hasini,
Base.
whether it is acid or base.
Base.
Yes, very good.
What is?
Now I am giving an unknown solution to you. Okay, an unknown solution.
What is it?
Unknown solution. You have to test it whether it is a acid or base. Ethan, hold it. Now I am giving 2 litmus paper. Test it and tell me whether it is acid or base.
Ma'am, it's an acid, ma'am.
How do you know
It
it is
turned
acid?
blue litmus.
Because it is changed into red. So and tell me the pH value also.
1, ma'am.
It is
1.
1. Very good. Excellent. So did you understand the class today?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
another sir.